In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document templates in Microsoft Word. Document templates let you skip the blank page and start with a professionally designed layout, complete with styles and formatting. They're perfect for resumes, invoices, newsletters, and more. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can create polished documents quickly and confidently. First, open Microsoft Word. If you land on the Start screen, you'll already see a selection of templates. If you're in a blank document, go to File, then New. This is where Word organizes all its available templates for you. From here, you have two ways to browse. If you know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top and type a specific term like resume, invoice, or newsletter. Word will pull in designs that match. If you're not sure yet, scroll through the featured templates to get inspired. You can also explore categories to find styles that fit your purpose, whether you need business forms, reports, or flyers. When you see a template you like, click it to open a preview. This preview usually includes a short description and sometimes different color or style variations. Take a moment to check that the layout fits your content needs. If it looks right, click Create. Word will open a new document based on that template. This isn't the original template file. It's your own editable copy, so you can make changes freely. Now customize the content. Replace any placeholder text with your information and update headings, dates, and contact details. If the template includes text boxes or images, click them to edit or swap them with your own. To keep the design consistent, use the built-in styles on the Home tab instead of manually changing fonts and sizes. That way, everything stays aligned with the template's design. If the template contains a table of contents, update it after you adjust headings so it reflects your changes. You can also tweak page layout settings like margins or spacing if needed, while keeping the overall structure intact. When you're happy with your document, save it with a new name so the original template remains unchanged. Go to File, then Save As, choose a location, and give the file a clear name. Save it as a .docx for regular editing and sharing. If you see an option referencing a template format like .docx, remember that's for creating reusable templates, not everyday documents. That's it. You've opened Word, chosen a template, customized it, and saved your document without altering the original design. With templates, you can produce consistent, professional results in minutes.